everyone, it's Dan at SPE Motorsport. Here's the new Bronco. Everybody I'm sure has seen them out there and about, and they're very popular, and we like them obviously better than the Jeeps. And we want to get into some of the off-roading stuff, and what better way to do it than with the Bronco platform. We think it's real promising, and they seem to have a lot of potential. And obviously we're going to start with the performance aspects of the platform. So we started off with the exhaust, and that's going to be one of our first products for them. One of the main reasons we did it, we saw a hole in the market for a quality, affordable exhaust. So we did a very simple system where you're doing the axle back. It's emissions legal, and you're dropping a lot of weight. A lot of the other kits on the market are coming back. They're crossing over and coming out on the other side, which in my opinion is kind of pointless, because the rear bumper on these is obviously the same on each side. So there's really no need. And we bring the tips down factory style and keep it pretty clean. But the main reason we did it the way we did it was to keep the cost down for the customer. You're getting better performance. It's a straighter system, less weight. You're gaining clearance. You got a bunch of positive options with this axle back kit. So we're pretty excited about it. We're offering two versions. We have a muffled style like that's on this one, and then we have a straight axle back version as well without the muffler. All right, so to give you guys a little bit of an idea on the different sounds, we're going to do some sound clips on a factory Bronco exhaust system, pulling out and driving by, and then we'll do the same thing with this one and give you guys an idea kind of what it sounds like.